A cooking lesson.
Mark is instructing Debbie on how to prepare a meal in the kitchen.
Can you hand me the food processor and frying pan from over there?
Is there anything else you need?
Please grab me the cheese grater, vegetable peeler, and saucepan.
I've been longing to learn how to make a steak dinner.
You can start by boiling some water in the saucepan and peeling the vegetables. I'll be over here with the chopping board cutting up some potatoes.
Got it. Should we put some butter in the frying pan?
Not yet. First, we need to get the steak out of the refrigerator and season it. Let's put these potatoes in the food processor to make mashed potatoes. Then we need to steam the carrots.
10 minutes later.
Now you can put butter into the hot frying pan and then drop the steak in.
How long should we cook it for?
Not too long, since steak tastes best rare. While I watch these, can you grate some cheese to put in the mashed potatoes? Then we'll be about ready to eat.
The meal looks mouth-watering.
We should eat like this every day.